All right. Let's get started, man. What's happening? What's happening? I hope you guys can hear me properly. Yeah. This is our London session, right? Yeah, guys, this is London session. Yeah, man, the markets are looking clean here. What's happening, everyone? I hope y'all are doing great here during this session here. And yeah, man, let's get started here. I'm just gonna send the link to my group here. After sending the link to my group, I will make sure that I give you guys a top-down analysis, and we shall get started here. Yeah. All right. I hope everyone is set right now. Yeah. Yeah. Just give me a second, guys. I'll be back. We're about to get started right now, right now, right now, right now. All right, what's happening, my good people? It's your boy Topboylarry, and yeah, man, let's just get started, man. Everything is looking good. The markets are looking great here for London session here. All right, we're gonna just get started with the top-down analysis here. Gonna start with the daily time frame, and we're gonna go on to the rest of the time frames, right? But we're gonna open up with prayer before everything else here. So yeah, man, let us start with the prayer here. Lord, I come to you today. And I just want to give thanks, Lord, in this morning of London session, Lord. Pray, Lord, that you have blessed each and every single one who has joined the channel, blessed each and every single one who is tuned in right now, Lord. And I pray, Lord, that you give them the strength and the power, Lord, to be able to maneuver the markets and make profits in today, Lord. From Asian session all the way to New York session, Lord. Bless this channel, Lord. Help this channel grow, Lord. Let's push, Lord, to 500 views during a session, Lord. And only that type of power, Lord, can be made only through you, Lord. So I pray, Lord, for this channel, Lord, and I also pray, Lord, that you give us the strength, Lord, to be able to see what the markets have in store for us here and potentially make profits today. All right. Thank you, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right, guys. Yeah, man. Let's see. Let's see what the market has in store for us here. All right. So I'm looking at the daily time frame here. Basically, I do see that price is basically still in this overall range here, right? But then if we draw up the range that we drew up earlier on, right, which is this one, we do see that we have a breakout of that range, right? But previous price created a gap here. We gapped lower and price has been going down since then. So yeah, man, we shall see if price wants to still do that. Let's look at the 4 hour time frame here. The 4 hour time frame is clean. It's looking clean here. It's been bearish for quite some time here, right? We do see that the bearish moves have been playing out nicely here. But then right now, one thing that we notice is that we are trending, right? Price looks like it's trending, and the possibilities of more sales are still valid here. Let me look at the 30 here. I mean the hourly here. The hourly, we do see that we also having some sort of a downtrend here, and yeah, price has been moving pretty simple, pretty nice, yeah. Price has been moving pretty nice in this area here. So we shall see how price wants to react. But yeah, nothing too crazy. Price looks to be simple today. We don't seem like we're gonna have any issue. We're gonna run into many issues here during the session. I don't know. We are not sure. We will see. We will see as we move lower here on the lower time frames. Okay, the lower time frames are telling us that price has been steadily moving here, right? Steadily moving. So currently. Excuse me, guys. Yeah. Currently, we are basically in these areas, right? We are basically in a range. What do we see about the range? We do see that price is basically in a very tight range here, right? And the possibilities of price pushing up are there. The possibilities of price also pushing down are there. But we will see if price wants to push up here, but then I'm more bearish than bullish here based on the high time frame correlation. You do see that the daily here is already broken out, and basically price wants to possibly keep on pushing lower here. Looking at the 30 here, same thing, guys. If we do get something like a breakout above here, I might just be interested in taking those sells. Let's look at the 15. The 15 here, low key has been trending also lower here. Um, yeah, we've been trending lower, created some sort of a downtrend here. Yeah, created some sort of a downtrend. And then we do see that price is basically tapping resistance here. Will it want to go up? We shall see, man. We shall see. But yeah, basically this range is very tight here. One thing that I'm noticing about this range is that it's a very tight range, right? Yeah, man, we'll see how price wants to play out in this area here. Do we want to go up? Do you want to go higher here? We shall see, man. But yeah, overall downtrend, and yeah, taking the buys in this area just wouldn't make sense. Yeah. So yeah, how's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? Yeah, guys, I think I need water. I think I need water, guys. Hey, I don't know what's happening with my throat here. I don't know what's happening. Don't know what's going on. Don't know what's going on. But yeah, prices trend has been trending lower for quite some time. Ever since we've been in this bearish market since the morning, right? One thing that we notice is that price basically gapped, right? Price gapped in the morning here, gapped lower, and basically we haven't tapped this gaps ever since then. So I don't know, is price trying to basically go lower here, or is price gonna attempt to push higher here? I don't know. Yeah, but sales below would look money here. What am I expecting to see? I'm expecting to see some sort of a breakout in this area, right? Probably price pushing up and looking something similar to this here. This would be money for me. right? If we do get a closure, something like this, right? Could be a fake out, could be whatever. Maybe another candlestick might just attempt to push higher again and look something similar to this, right? Um, yeah, something similar to this, and then only then on the next candlestick, if we do see this bearish move here, if you do see this bearish move, then I might just be interested in taking the sells if you're gonna be back in the range, right? Uh, yeah, if we get a bearish move, something like this, then I might just be interested in taking these sells right here, right? Yeah. So yeah, this is probably my move, guys. This is probably gonna be my move. And then another thing that might just play out here is this. Yeah, another thing that might play out is this, right? Price basically, yeah, coming into these areas. Do you guys see the way price basically opened here? If we do come into these areas here and price closes maybe above, right? Yeah, price closing probably maybe above on this candle, and then the next candle just breaking out and looking something similar to this, then I might just be open to taking the sales, right? Filling this wick and potentially going lower here. But yeah, that's the plan, guys. That's the plan. We're in a bearish trend. The market is probably gonna keep on moving lower here. So let us just see, guys. I'm only open for the sales here. The buys are not looking good for me during London session. The buys were good during Asian, which is the buys that I took in this area here, right? These are the buys that I took, right? We actually, yeah, we made some profits. We moved from 80% to 81% win rate here during London. So let's see if we're gonna have a good percentage rate by the end of London here. If we are gonna get a trade, by the way. Yeah. But yeah, another thing price might just do, right, is basically trend, right? We might just trend, price basically opening in these areas, and we might just not get a move, right? Yeah. So we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. All right. All right. Money rising, yeah. Money rising, money rising, money rising. Money rising, yeah. Hey man, it's a happy Monday, guys. It's a happy Monday. If anyone is feeling some type of way during this Monday, guys, expose yourself. Expose yourself if you're feeling some type of way on a Monday that is beautiful like this one. And man, we'll pray for you. We'll pray for you. We shall pray for you. Why am I audible? I hope I am audible. I hope I am visible. I hope everything is looking clean here. Yeah, we're chilling on 81% win rate, guys. Obviously, yeah. So let's see what we do here during a London session here. None too major, none too crazy. Some light, some light, some light. Yeah, if we do get a closure like this, guys, we'd be looking money, right? Anything below this area here would look nice for me. Nice, nice. Or if price decides to push up here, anything back inside the range here. But I hope I'm clear. I hope everything is looking good here. Yeah. Yeah, we actually averaged how many? How much was it? Yeah. 81% win rate during Asian. Man, that was a W, guys. That was a W. That was amazing, an amazing trade here. Hopefully we do get a trade in the next few hours here. Minutes. uh I know. You guys are gonna be like, oh my gosh, man, you're gonna make us wait hours again. Hey, man, I'm not the one who controls the market. I don't control the market, guys. I don't make you wait. The market makes all of us wait, right? But then once we get a setup, everything looks clean. Then we can go for those buys or those sells. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm more bearish than bullish here today. This is what I'm expecting to see, right? Yeah, the buys are not looking fresh for me. Nothing, nothing. Hey guys, why am I so cold during this session? Like it's crazy. I don't get why it's so cold. Wow. Oh my goodness. Whoa, let me switch on the heater quickly here. Oh man. Why is it so cold? Damn. Oh my goodness. It's like I'm in a freezer. Damn. Damn. Yeah. So let's see how this 30 closes, guys. We closing in the next 6 minutes here. If we do close in the range like this, right? Then only then I'll be expecting to see the next move, right? The next move, which is gonna be this one, right? To give us a closure like this. And then I'll be interested in taking those cells, pushing lower here for price to probably tap these areas. So that would be my next idea, right? Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah, but the fake out would make sense. If we do close above like this, the fake out would look money here, right? Yeah. This bearish trend is bearish. And the buys, nah, man, no thank you. If we do get the buys, no thank you. What would you do if price closes like this now, right? If price decides to push up and give us something like this, I already drew it up. I already drew it up. I already drew up the plan. If we get something similar to this, right? Maybe an exhaustion candle on the next wick here. Um, yeah, something similar to this, then I would still be interested in those cells. If we get an exhaustion like this, then those cells would look money to come back in the range here. Yeah, this would be another plan, right? This would be another plan. But yeah, that would be it. Like literally, that would be it. Some like. Obviously, the market is not gonna do exactly what I drew up, right? But yeah, something similar to that would make sense. Something along those lines. Something along those lines. Let us see if we have news, anything that might just keep us out of the market currently. Uh, anything here? Nothing. Yeah, nothing, guys, nothing. Literally nothing. Yeah, only yellow candles here, no impact at all. So as our trades, price action might just probably move nice here today. Low impact trades. Um, let's see. Right here on the trades, let's see what the people are saying. Oh, buy. What is this? XAUUSD ECN. I've never came across something like this. But anyway, gold USD sell W. Okay, gold USD buy. Like a minute ago, both of you guys are confused. These two guys confused. Confused. Hey man, sometimes you would see the same person sending a buy and a sell signal here. I never take these trades, by the way, guys. I never. Don't even dare. Don't even try, man. These people, I just like going. Yeah, I just like coming into these areas just to mock them. I just like mocking people in these areas here. Be like, oh really, oh really, oh really, oh really, and then be like, hey, crazy man. Let's see. XAUUSD traders, 121 traders are saying buy, and 101 traders are saying sell. Hey, that's crazy, fam. So we have more sellers. I mean, we have more buyers than sellers. Let's see on the hourly here. Is it the same? On the hourly here, we have 55% buyers, if I'm correct. Buyers, yeah, so you have more buyers than sellers. Hey, that's crazy, man. Let's see if they correct. Let's see. All right, yeah, we're getting a closure. We're probably gonna get a closure that we drew up here, guys. Yeah, this would look good, right? If the next candle just comes back and closes back inside like this. Nice move. We're probably gonna take the sales here to potentially push lower here, right? Yeah, this would be the plan. This would be the plan. This would be the plan. So who's right? Sellers or buyers? Buyers or sellers? Buyers or sellers? Who's correct? Who's correct? Who's correct? Who's correct? It's a buy. It's a buy. It's a sell. It's a sell. Oh, keep blowing it. Who knows that video, guys? Keep blowing it. Keep blowing it means I just blew. Like someone was like, okay, guys, it's a buy. I'm going into the buys. It's a buy. It's a buy. And then boom, bought. Then boom, blow their account. And then the person was like, oh my gosh, I just blew. I just blew. Funny, 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 funny. Funny, funny, funny. All right, yeah, let's see what this candle does. Another thing is if we do get a closure like this, right? Just like this, then the next candle would do. And the next candle would do just this. Would do just this. Right? Because yeah, I'm probably gonna get into the sales once price does something like this. Guys, why does it seem like it's a slow? It's a slow Monday. It's a slow Monday. Where's everyone? Where's everyone? You guys gotta show yourselves. Show yourselves. Show yourselves. Y'all gotta show yourselves, good people. Show yourselves. Say hi. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? I'm Larry, and only good things happen to me. Only good things happen to me. I am blessed and highly favored, loved by the Lord. So I'm a profitable trader. I'm a profitable trader. Very, very, very profitable trader. uh, how about you? How about you? But yeah, guys, 27 minutes to a closure here. Let's see what the 15 has in store for us here. The 15 is basically pushing up here. Yeah, man. We also do have targets in this area here. One thing that you need to keep in mind of, obviously, I did ride buys above here, but that doesn't necessarily mean I'm bullish, right? Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for price to do something like this, play around, right? Obviously, on the 50, on the 30 here, I mean on the 15, if price pushes up like this, that would look money. Yeah. And if that's not the case, if this is not the case, right? We'd rather see price close something like this, not necessarily back inside. Um, okay, yeah. And if we do close back inside, right? If we do close back inside like this, then I would wait for the next candle to basically, yeah, man, play around these areas here, right? And then only then on the next candle, I'll be interested in taking those sales, right? And if this candle, yeah, basically something similar to this, maybe not, maybe not. We'll see, we'll see. We'll see. Oh man. How many of y'all feel good on this Monday? It's a Monday. It's a Monday. You gotta feel good. You gotta feel good. If you don't feel good, man, hey man. If you don't feel good, man, hey man. Hey man, tough, tough, tough. Hey, 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 hey. You got the fire. Hey guys, we are like the most funnest trading group, right? Because we don't just trade, we also have fun, right? We also dance. We got very nice music. Obviously, I'm gonna make sure that I stay professional, right? I'm gonna stay professional uh to the highest degree, to the highest level, right? But then also, guys, we also need to have fun, right? Have fun, right? Dance a bit, dance to some music, you know what I'm saying, and just enjoy ourselves here during our London session. Actually, enjoy ourselves during every session, right? If you guys watch my Asian session, oh my goodness, Asian W, and yeah, man. Also, London, man. London, man, is always the slowest. Currently, it's been the slowest currently, right? But then, yeah, man. I mean, even if we don't get trades consistently during London, right? We still enjoy, we still dance, we still have fun, right? And make sure that we don't make trading boring. Yeah, we got the fire. Yeah, clean move here, clean move, but not my move. Clean move, but not my move. Yeah, price just moved nicely here. But yeah, this was nothing that I was gonna do, that I was gonna trade here. Nothing I was gonna trade, guys. Nothing. Even if we do have a breakout, yeah, it's not my top of thing, not my top of thing, right? That's why I play this type of music, guys, specifically chosen for y'all. Specifically, right? Specifically chosen for y'all. I hope there's no one who likes my piano. I'm joking, guys. I also like I'm a piano. I like it. I like it, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sit here and cap. Yeah, certain songs that I like, certain songs that I don't like. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if we get a closure like this on the next candle here, that'll be W. That'll be a nice setup for me to enter the sales here. And then again, if price basically maybe does something like this, closes like this, then man, ugly, 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 ugly. That would be nothing for me here. I'm gonna actually call it an early session if we do close like this on the not on this one, right? Not on this one, obviously. On the next candle, which is the 30, right? The 30, 30, 30. Yeah, which setup do I like trading? I mean, chart, which time frame? I like trading the 15, guys. 15-minute is the best. Like the 15-minute gives me the best confluence. Yeah, the 15 has the best confluence, like the best, like the amazing, the only amazing confluence I I take serious. Yeah. Is anyone shocked that we are getting this bullish move currently? Obviously, the bullish moves are happening because we have buys above. Whatever I just drew up for you, yeah, that's the reason why. That's the reason for the bullish moves. Yeah. You see that buys above, breakout, clean breakout, and a push up. But this is not my type of move, guys. Because I know, based on experience, yeah, this is just probably liquidity. Mm. But obviously, right, guys, someone else's liquidity, right? Someone else's liquidity is someone else's move, right? So yeah, that's liquidity for me though. That's liquidity for me though. What up though? What up though? What up though? Yeah, that's liquidity for me, guys. This is liquidity for me, right? And this is confluence for me. uh yeah, man, we'll see how we close on this candle here, but yeah. But I don't want to close bullish. I don't want to see a bullish closure. That wouldn't be money for me. That wouldn't be money. And if we do get a bullish closure here, I'm out of the market like early, early. Like, yeah, I'm gonna see y'all during New York, right? Because yeah, I want to save my profits. I want to keep my profits to myself. I don't want to hand away my profits to the market, right? So yeah. But yeah, 17 minutes to a closure. Yeah, that's not an issue. We can wait. We can wait, right? Yeah, we can wait for this. We can wait for this. Or at least, or at least this. Or at least this. At least, right? That's what we can wait for. That's what we can wait for. And on the next candle, ha ha ha. Money, 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 money. But yeah. Alright, on the 15, we are getting a closure here. So let's see how we close on the 15 and see what the next candle has in store for us. Right. But yeah. Those are my two possible setups. Entanglement. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, so that you can get notified every time I am on the market and every time I'm trading. All right. Make that like that should be the first thing in your mind. Like before you even do anything else, make sure that you subscribe. Because, hey man, You don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out on beautiful things there. You don't want to miss out on beautiful things there. All right, we just got a 15 closure here. Let's see how we close. How we close on this candle. Yeah, another way we can close, guys. If we close something similar to this, man, this would look money. Yeah, patience pays. Unfortunately, it pays later. Unfortunately, it pays later. Yeah, most of y'all are expecting patience to pay now, like right now. How does patience pay right now? When patience is exactly the thing that goes according to your plan, how do you expect it to pay right now? Who's in the buys? Who's in the buys? I'm waiting to hear someone tell me, man, I'm in the buys. You're talking nonsense. Oh, man. Yee. Sheesh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, yeah. Guys, I like to be honest with y'all guys, I'm just playing around. Yeah, like I'm not expecting anyone to feel some type of way, right? Like if you're in the buys and that's your plan, good. Good for you, good for you. And yeah. Like we will not all like be correct, right? Yeah. We won't all be correct. And if I'm wrong, then you're probably right. And if I'm right, you're probably wrong. You're probably wrong. Yeah, man. And we can both be right, right? Like, you get what I'm saying? Like if you took a buy from this area, right, pushing all the way to that area, and you already took your profits, you closed. You can argue that that's your strategy. You know what I'm saying? That's one of your strategies, and my strategy is a bit slower, right? It probably takes like probably takes much longer. Probably takes much longer. Yeah. And yeah, if price keeps on moving here, guys, I'm out. I'm out. Like I'm chilling, right? So if we get a move like this, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I'm gonna see y'all during London's. I mean New York. Yeah. Yeah. If we keep on doing this, I'm gonna see y'all doing New York. That's gonna be it for me. But yeah, let's see how we close here on this candle here. Yeah, we're not chasing candles today. We have standards. We're not chasing candles. We have standards. uh, standards, man. Who else has standards here? Who else has standards? Yeah, the markets are still deciding if they want to make millionaires or memes here. Are you gonna be part of the meme, or are you gonna be the 1%ers, the millionaires, the millionaires? Because here's another thing that could happen, right? The market can just keep on doing this. This is what the market can keep on doing. Right? Then one thing, what's this? Like, like what's this? Like what's this? Can you explain it? Can you tell me what this move is? Is it like a bearish bullish continuation? What is this? Right? And is this something you're willing to enter on? Is this something you're willing to, like wait out? Like, what's your plan? What's your plan? Because my plan is not to enter when I see something like this. I cannot, I cannot enter. Guys, make sure that you subscribe. Guys, make sure that you subscribe. Tap that bell notification for whenever I trade, drop. Yeah, yeah. For whenever I trade. And don't forget to follow me, guys, if you have social media like Instagram, TikTok, all, all those good things. All those good things. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Guys, if you're wondering who I'm playing here, it's DJ The Wines. Yeah, DJ The Wines. That's the music. That's the song. La 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 la. Hey man. La 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 la. Yeah, guys, price looks like it's moving here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Goldie, goldie. So let's see how we close in the next 4 minutes here. Interesting. Interesting to see how price closes here. La 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 la. Got the move, yeah. Got the dance. Let's go. All right, all right, all right. Okay, okay. You see now we're interested now. Now we are interested. Now we're interested now. Yeah, this setup looks cleaner than my room ever would be. It looks cleaner than my room ever was now. You see now if we close something similar to this, guys, with money. Money. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Like, yeah. When the setups go according to the plan, right? Yeah, so guys, if you get a closure like this, guys, money to enter the sales here, potentially push lower here. Yeah, I'd be interested to see how price wants to behave here. We'll see. We'll see what type of closure we get. But this would look money to keep on moving lower here. But this money, guys, money, money, money. Potential moolah here. Got the move. Yeah, I'm gonna have my sell stops ready actually. Let's see what type of closure we get. Not in the buys. And if you're in the buys, have you already taken your money? Are you greedy? Are you waiting? Are you waiting to see a miracle? Yeah, let me see what type of stop loss I'm gonna have. Yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Right. So since we're gonna probably have like current candle stops here, whatever the next candle is gonna give us, that would be my stop loss, right? Preferably somewhere around these areas here. But that would be my stop loss and potentially wait for price to keep on moving lower here. But yeah, let's see. 20 seconds to the closure. Let's go. Let's go. What type of closure we gonna get here? What type of closure? Yeah, and if you found this valuable, guys, click the like button. I mean, yeah, subscribe, subscribe. And if you haven't found this valuable, subscribe twice. Oh my goodness, did I just enter a cell? Did I just enter a cell? Okay, fine, fine, it's fine, guys. Yeah, anyway, we are probably gonna get tapped here. So let's see how price wants to move here, guys. Yeah, we are probably going to get tapped in these areas here. But I just don't like the fact that we don't have a high here. But yeah, let's see. Let's see how price wants to react. Yeah, potential sells. Obviously, I'm gonna have my stops right here at 40.90. Uh, not yet. I just want to see a high first, right? But yeah, yeah, this would be my maximum stops here, and potential TP would be somewhere around. Wait. What did I just do? What did I just do? What did I just do? Okay, relax. What's going on, guys? Did I do some? Okay. My stops are right here. Right, but yeah, I'm gonna take 80%. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna take 80% of the trade right here and see if price wants to keep on continuing lower here. But yeah, whatever I'm expecting to see here, whatever high we're gonna make here, that will be my stops. That's not. This is not gonna be a crazy move here. Not too crazy, not too major. Some light, some light. Yeah, but preferably not entering right now, right? Just wait for price to re-break these lows and enter, right? That would be a much more preferred entry. Yeah, like if you are in the cells right now, okay, just make sure that you are comfortable with your stops. But yeah, preferably if price re-breaks these lows, then only then you could like manage your trade here properly. Enter the cells. If you're not in the cells, just wait for that, right? Wait for that. Yeah, we shall see. We shall see. What's price trying to do? What's price trying to do? Yeah, guys, the plan has already been drawn up. Um, yeah, all we wait for is for price to do what we anticipated here. Yeah, we saw the market entry. Hopefully, the market doesn't choose violence here today. Will the market choose violence? Entanglement. Yeah, I'd prefer you wait for a better entry, guys. If you are not in the trade yet, wait for the breaks of 40.72 here. Once we see price break these lows 40.72, only then yeah, only then you can enter the sales, you know what I'm saying? And probably like start trailing, right? But yeah, this would be my stops here if price does exactly what I'm looking for, right? Yeah, we're currently sitting in profits here. Let's see if we're gonna break the lows here. Are we going to break? Yep, we just broke the lows, guys. This will be my stop loss. Let's see how price wants to move here. Yeah, we in profits. Clean move so far. Clean move so far. Yeah, yeah, guys. This is $100 trade. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Preferably, my stops would be somewhere around $86 here. Yeah, I think above these highs here, because price might just want to play around first before moving. So let's see. Entanglement. Is Take Profit gonna enter the chat here? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Uh, right now, Drawdown just entered the chat. Drawdown just entered the chat. Is TP gonna enter the chat here? Cause yeah, man, we're looking for TP. TP, where you at? Where you at, TP? We waiting for you, TP. Yo, TP, we waiting for you, TP. Where you at? Where you at? Come along, come along, come along, come along. Let's go, let's go. Oh yeah, right now Profits just entered the chat. Please don't leave. Please don't leave here. Yeah, Profits, don't leave the chat here, man. You're making us look good. Man. Yeah, we don't want to see stop loss enter the chat, man. That wouldn't be, man. Hey, man, if stop loss enters the chat, he enters the chat, man. There's nothing we can do about it. There's nothing we can do about it. There's not much I can do. Yeah, let's see if we're gonna push, guys. If we re-break these lows, guys, I'm gonna go break even actually. Yeah. And I would take full right here around 40.68 here. So are we going to re-break here? Or are we going to re-break the highs? Like whichever way, guys. If we re-break the highs here, potential buys, price is gonna keep on moving higher here. And if we re-break the lows, yeah, W. 4 minutes short closure here, guys. Let's see how we're gonna close here. Yeah, drawdown was in the chat, but right now profits looks like it wants to, enter the chat. Yeah. Let's see if drawdown is gonna maintain the chat. Is drawdown gonna maintain the chat? Drawdown, do your thing, yeah, do your thing. Yeah. Amen, drawdown. Oh my goodness. We just rebroke the highs, guys. So possibly, amen. Maybe price wants to keep on moving high here. We shall see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. What are we going to do? What are we going to do here? Got to move. Yeah. Got to dance. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. What's the plan, Goldie? What's the plan? Do you have anything for us here? 1 minute to a closure here, guys. Let's see how we're gonna close. And is price gonna potentially move higher here? Oh my goodness. Yeah, because this can happen, right? This can happen. Price might just tap us and then keep on pushing lower here. So yeah, you guys need to be careful of that. Let's see. Yeah, that would be something else, right? That would be another possibility here where price just decides to push up first before moving back down here. So we shall see. We shall see. Yeah, those re-break of the highs here were the problem, right? When price basically rebroke here, this is what influenced this push up, right? So if price keeps on pushing up here, yeah, I'll be out. Yeah, I'm just gonna just try to readjust these highs, right? Just in case price wants to, do something here, right? Just tap and potentially push again, right? Yeah. But yeah, we're still in the trade. Let's see how price wants to react here. Is price gonna create a low and keep on pushing higher here? We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see. Anything is possible here. This would look good, right? If we see price do this, right, break these lows, right, then I'll stay in the trade, just trade my stop loss and wait. So we'll see. We shall see. How does Goldie wanna do? Goldie wanna do what you trying to do? Goldie, do your thing, Goldie. Do your thing, Goldie. Do your thing. Yeah, guys. If we do get these break of the lows here, man, we are looking money. Price might just decide to even rip, right? But yeah, there's nothing we can do until price does that, right? We want to see the break of these lows here. If we don't get that, then price is probably gonna come back, push higher, and take us out here. But yeah, I'm gonna readjust my stops here, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna readjust to these highs. Thing is, these highs, guys, just this part. You know, I've entered trades where price basically does something like this, right? Where price taps, right? Where price would tap my stops and just keep on pushing lower here. So that's what I'm trying to avoid here. But we'll see. Uh, after all, you got that aura. Yeah, this price gonna re-break here, guys. Hey man, tough. If we don't re-break, guys, then the buys are gonna still be valid. Price is gonna just keep on pushing higher here. Yeah, that will be unfortunate. Unfortunate. Yeah, if price re-breaks these highs, guys, I'm out. I'm out. Cause this would be my stop loss. Nothing higher than this, right? 40.77. Here's my stop loss, guys. Are we going to tap? Come on now, come on now. Here's another thing that price usually does, right? You find it doing something like this, right? Especially in these areas where price would do something like this, do something like this, and then only then on the next candle you would see these cells come into play here. Yeah, this is not something uncommon, right? We've seen this happen before. We've seen this play out. So we'll see, man. We'll see. Right, yeah. Price tapped, guys. Price tapped our stop loss. I think we out. Are we out? Yeah. Yeah, we out. What's going on? Yeah, we probably out. We probably out. Yeah, we probably out. I'm going to readjust here. Uh, man, another loss. One loss. One loss. One loss. Okay. 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 That's not a problem. That's not a problem. It's a part of the game. It's a part of the game. All right, I lost during London here, guys. Yeah, three losses, 75% win rate, four break evens, nine wins. That's it for me, guys. That's it. Obviously, yeah, potential moves lower here are going to probably play out later on here. Yeah, potential moves are probably going to play like probably in the next few more candles, right? But I'm still pretty much bearish. Yeah, but price wanted to tap us and it will potentially move lower here. Yeah. But if you have like your stops somewhere around here, then yeah, man, you can hold it out. You can hold a bit longer and yeah, probably get something. Yeah. Oh, tough, 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 tough. Uh, I'll trade doing London here. Young $80 loss. $80 loss here. Yeah. Yeah, W trade, guys. If I do see a trade like this again, I'm probably gonna enter. Same thing, right? Same thing. Because based on probabilities, we have a 70% win rate based off of these setups. So yeah, man. Unfortunately, today was one of those. One of those. One of those. But the sales are still valid. The sales are still valid. Price just wants to push up first before going down here. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. And let's say, for example, you have your stops somewhere around here, right? If you have your stops chilling somewhere around here, somewhere around 4081 here, man, you can keep them. You can keep them, right? Yeah. I was just a bit skeptical on price, right? And I saw this area here and I'm like, okay, we might just potentially, play around these areas and wait for price to keep on moving lower. But yeah, if you have your stops somewhere sitting around 4080 here, yeah, the trade is still valid for you. You can wait it out and see if price wants to reverse here. But yeah, this has happened not once, not twice, around about three, four, and actually many times. Let me not lie, it has happened many times where price would tap our stops, especially if I'm putting the stops very close here. And after tapping the stops, price would just decide to rip on the next candle here. This is not uncommon. This is not uncommon at all. Would I re-enter this? Nope, nope, nope. I don't re-enter. I give myself only 3 bullets a day, guys. Only 3 bullets a day. If price decides to do its thing, it does its thing. If it takes me out, then it takes me out. I'm not gonna force an entry. I'm not gonna, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna revenge trade. Yeah. My trade was this one. But yeah, the next candlestick might just push lower. So if you're not in, if you're not in, sell stops around this area here might look clean. Sell stops around 40.71 here might look clean. Yeah, we took an L. Took an L here on London. London L. But yeah, this is not uncommon, guys. I've seen this play out many times where price taps my stop loss, especially if I have my stop loss very close, and then the next candle will just decide to rip here. But I'm not gonna enter. I'm not gonna enter a trade. I'm not gonna re-enter. I'm just gonna wait for the trade to play out. Because yeah, if there was a lot of volume in the market, right? Price was just supposed to just rip, right? So because looks like volume does not want to give us anything here, this is why we see this playing out. Yeah, there's no volume. Our trades only work when there's when there's high volume. Only high volume here. But the setup is still looking money. If you're still in the cells and you have your stop loss around these areas here, man, you can wait. You can chill. You can chill. You can chill. You can chill. Let's see how price will play out here. Uh, yeah, my stop loss worked harder than I was. My stop loss worked harder than I was working here. Sheesh, Goldie, sheesh. Yeah, unfortunately, this trade identified as a donation here on my side. Donation to the market. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Who got the donation here? Who's in the buys? Who's in the buys? Who got the donation? Yeah, guys, the next candle is probably gonna go down, guys. Like, I still feel these cells, guys. I still feel them. The market still looks good to keep on pushing lower here. So let's see what this next candle is gonna do. But yeah, So let's see what this candle is gonna do, how the candle is gonna close here. It's a part of the game, guys. An L is an L, and there's not much you can do about it. All you can do is just wait for the next best trade. These are probabilities. Price is always gonna do this. Price will give you some losses, right? And it's just part of the game, guys. It's just part of the game. Just part of the game. This is a game of probabilities. If in life you don't take losses, then you probably, I don't know, what are you, non-human? AI? Even AI takes L's, bro. Even AI takes L's. So if you think you are something else, hey man, if something else, you gotta tell us what you are. If you don't take losses, 100% win rate. Oh man. But yeah, guys, like the cells, guys, the cells are still looking clean here. Like, yeah. Maybe on the next trades, guys, just a higher risk, higher risk, higher stop loss wouldn't hurt, right? Like if I keep my stops above these areas here, and yeah, just stay out of adjusting them for time. Yeah, then price would look good for it to keep on pushing lower here. Yeah. Yeah, the problem was adjusting. The problem was adjusting. Yeah. Maybe we shouldn't adjust next time. But yeah, the cells are looking money, 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 money. Yeah, if you're still in the cells, guys, if you're still in the cells, you can hold. Obviously, you can hold. And yeah. And I'd probably go break even at the break of these lows here at 40.71 here if you're in the cells. Would I re-enter right now? Nah, unfortunately, guys, I have a strict plan. I don't just enter the market as I like. The plan enters for me. Yeah, it's the plan that enters for me. And it's also the plan that exits for me. So that was the plan. It exited for me. Unfortunately, yeah, stop loss actually came into the chat here. And yeah, man, he paid me. He paid me. He paid me a loss. And we donated the money to the market. Yeah. So yeah. It's one of those, one of those. It's one of those. Yeah, the next best trade is coming during London, guys. London next best trade. That's it. Like literally, that would be it for me. Yeah, guys. In the next 9 minutes, I'll see how price wants to play out here. But whatever it does here, I'm open for. Yeah, I'm open to wait for this 9 minutes to see whatever it does, and yeah, I'm gonna call it a session here. Yeah, call it a session. Call it a session. Call it a session. You got the aura. You got the aura. Turn it harder. Turn it harder. Get in the sense people. You got the aura. How does Price wanna play out here? Guys, I'm craving like KFC, man. Oof. Yeah, I'm probably gonna give myself some KFC after this after this session, man. Oh man. Oh man. If I give myself that, yeah. If I get myself some KFC, oh man, that would be lovely. That would be lovely, man. Oh, yeah, guys, this is all transparency. Like literally, this is all transparency. I'm not gonna come here and BS none of y'all here. Yeah, if we're gonna have a bad week, that would be a bad week. You guys will see it on my win rate here. If we're gonna have a good week, that'll be a good week. You guys will see it on my win rate. But yeah, potentially if we hit a win rate of like 90% by the end of this week, that would be money. That would be amazing. Would I enter the cell again? Yes, definitely. Definitely. It's just that volume was not in the market yet. Volume is not in the market yet, so we will see. He got that aura. Every move. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like. Don't forget to share with your people. Don't forget to subscribe for next time I drop, right? Yeah, you guys need to make sure that every time I pull up here, you guys are notified, right? Yep, 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 yep. But yeah, y'all gotta be notified when I drop. So make sure you subscribe. It's your first time and you see me take a loss like this. Hey man, I'm still credible. I'm still credible, man. Those who know, know. Those who've seen me trade know what the chat looks like. Yeah, they know the W's. They know. They know the W's. But the sales are still valid, guys. Yeah, a break of these lows here would look money here to keep on pushing lower here. Unfortunately, this was tough. My stops were somewhere around here. somewhere around here. This is where my stops were, guys. And if price fails, right, since we have like 4 minutes left, right, if price fails to do that, right, this is what price is probably going to do in for the next few uh hours or minutes here, right? We're going to see price do this like literally. So you guys need to be yeah, just stay out of the markets, just stay out, like trust me, stay out of the markets, because now volume is no longer in the markets, right? Yeah, we anticipated a move and the move was not it. After here, there's no longer volume. We're probably gonna get moves that play out like this, right? And this would be the range here. Uh, yeah, this would be the range. If price fails right now, like literally, if it fails to push lower here, this would be the range. This would be a new range here, and we're probably gonna have support and resistance right here. And possibly if we get a breakout lower here, then the sales would clear out. But yeah, you guys need to just make sure you stay out of trouble. This is going to be trouble here if you enter the market right now. So save yourself some coins here. Save yourself some coins. But if price decides to break like right now, right, and keep on pushing lower here, that would look money. 2 minutes to a closure here. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Yeah, if price moves like this, only then I'd be like, okay, the move played out, right? And I'd be like, yeah, the sales played out. So let's see if the sales are gonna play out here. Unfortunately, I was stopped out. 1 minute to a closure here. How are we gonna move here on this candle? Yeah, just make sure that you guys subscribe. I'm gonna keep on reminding y'all until I get 100 views per session. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Right now, I'm sitting on 60 views per session. 60. What we need is 100 views, guys. 100. 36 seconds to a closure, guys. Yeah, price is not gonna move. Trust me. Stay out of trouble. The next candle is probably gonna open, close like this, and the next candle is probably gonna play something like this in the range, right? So yeah, just stay out of the market, guys. Save yourself some cash. Relax. Yeah, I'm gonna get myself some KFC. Yeah, and chill. You know what I'm saying? And wait for agent session. Yeah. Yeah, this is going to be a range here. This is going to be the range we're going to be trading at. So yeah, price is probably going to play around here. Volume, guys, there's no volume. There's no volume. And unfortunately, I also entered where there wasn't volume. Actually, volume was already uh out of the market here. But yeah, it happens. It happens. Happens to the best of us. But yeah, stay out of trouble, and I'll see you guys on the next session. It's your boy Topboylarry. Peace out.